Okay, hi Capricorns, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be your reading for October 1st to the 15th. So if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I will be looking at the current energies, and basis that I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. Also guys, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay? So let's see what's going on with you currently, Capricorns. What's going on with you currently, Capricorns? 8 of Cups, 6 of Pentacles, the High Priest, and the 10 of Wands. You're tired. You're tired of doing something the bookish way, or maybe just following traditions a little too much. You're tired. You have a separate space of your own where you are just by yourself. All right, and you want to be there. You want to be there. You feel balanced there. That's what I see. I also see here that with the High Priest that somehow there are a lot of people looking up to you, but that is becoming so much of a pressure on you, Capricorns. It's like you're done dealing with this whole thing of people looking up to you all the time. You're done with that. You just don't feel that, you want to keep doing this, or you want to be at that pedestal position all the time. So you're basically tired is what I'm seeing from here. Okay, Taurus. So if this resonates, Capricorn, I don't know why I said Taurus. So if this resonates with you, let's see what can you expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Knight of Swords, the Empress, 9 of Cups, 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups is twice here. You want to run away from a woman or a man. Like, please take, genders don't matter. Like, if you are a man watching this, then you want to run away from a woman. Or if you're a woman watching this, then you want to run away from a man or somebody who you feel is like somehow not being able to understand you. You'd rather be single. And I'm seeing that you're again in that same place. You start here, you end here. So stop expecting from this person. I don't know, are you married to this person and you're not happy? This person could be having your children or something. But I see that you're unhappy. You're not very happy over here. You want to walk away from this because it's like really burdensome for you. I see you actually understanding this thing that yes, you're better off being all by yourself. That's the energy that I'm picking up over here. You don't really want to invest in this connection any longer. You're just quite happy the way you are, and you don't want to be in this spot any longer. That is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, so if this resonated, now let me see an advice for you here, Capricorns. Because in the next 15 days also, I see you like, at least this understanding will set in that you'll stop trying now, is what I feel. Now let's see, what is the advice for you here, Capricorns? What is the advice for Capricorns? Seven of Wands. Again, the Empress. Knight of Cups, Queen of Swords. You land up being hopeful every time. No point. Please stop expecting this person to be soft with you. This person has I'm getting here. I don't know. Her or him, whatever. This person has their own hidden agendas, okay? And this person is not like you. You could be a sweet person, or you could be someone who believes in love and blah, 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 very cute and gentle. But no, this person is not in that energy at all. And maybe this person will not be able to understand you at all. So the advice here to you is stop expecting, Capricorns. Your expectation can lead you to a point where you might not feel happy. That is what I'm picking up from here. Okay? So Taurus, I don't know why am I saying Taurus all the time for Capricorns. Guys, please go and watch the Taurus reading also for some reason. Maybe you might link yourself with that. So that's what I have for you. I hope this reading helps you. Let me know in the comments if this resonated, and private readings are open, so you can reach out to me and let me know. All right, I'll be waiting to hear from you. My Instagram account details are given in the description box below, so you can check that out if you want to. Take care. Bye.